Laura from Energy Savers Fireplaces. The unit I'm going to show you today is the 864 40,000 BTU high output gas fireplace in the clean face design. What's fun about the clean face design is it takes away any kind of facing on the unit, so you can bring your stone, tile, whatever, right up to the window of the unit. This is a 40,000 BTU heater with ceramic glass. You can get the same size in a standard heater with tempered glass if you aren't needing to heat up to 2,000 square feet. So there's some flexibility in the size and also the size heater that you want to have with your fireplace. This model does come automatically as a deluxe model. With that, you're going to get this wall-mounted thermostat remote, and with this remote, you have a lot of other things you can do inside of the unit from the remote. You can control the height of your flame, the speed of your fan. There are accent lights in the unit. I will turn them up on high here. You can see it start to get a nice little glow inside of the unit, or you can dim it down low or even turn it off. This unit does come standard with the accent lights. You also have additional accent lights right in front of the logs here. I'll turn it off, I'll turn it back on. That just adds a nice little extension of the coal bed, so it really just extends the whole look of, glowing coals inside of the unit. Again, you can turn those on or off. My most favorite feature with this brand is turning on and off that back burner. By keeping the burner on, you can have it at full heat and, heat during the winter. But when you go to turn off the back burner, you now can use your unit into late spring, early fall, or if you're entertaining, that's a way for you to not overheat your guests and still have your ambiance on. So I'll turn that back on here so you see the full flame effect. This model, you also have two thermostat options built right into the remote. Just a standard on-off thermostat where you set what temperature you want it to turn on and off at, or a smart thermostat. With that mode, you can control, or the unit controls the flame height depending on what temperature you want the room to stay. So when it gets up to the high point, it's going to start lowering the flames. And when it gets away from that, it'll start raising the flames. The goal is to keep the unit on as long as possible with that mode without killing your ambiance. It also gives a nice, more even heat, I have found. There's other things to note with this product too. You do have some different interior options. They have about 6 interiors. You do have 2 log set choices, birch or oak, both the same price. And you do have a lot of ways you can frame and finish this fireplace off. We do have the unit raised up a little bit without the hearth raised, so that's always an option, whether you want a hearth or you don't want a hearth. What height do you want it at? You also can add different mantles, do different stonework. We are showing off Boulder Creek's Fast Stack in the Alden color for the stone. With the Fast Stack, they come in tile pieces, so you just stack them on top of each other, no grout joints. We are also displaying a mantle that comes from a company down in southern Minnesota. They take mantles out of barns, so barn beams, and you can mount them up. And what's really fun about this company is they can match anything for you, basically, if you're looking for something specific, but they also tell you which barn the mantle came from. So that's really fun and special too. You have a talking point with your guests on where your mantle came from. If you wanted to reach out to us, check our website out, www.energysaversfireplaces.com. Go ahead and email us through there, check out our website, even go through our gallery. We'd love to hear about your next fireplace project. Thanks for tuning in today.